Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you how to make Chola Chaat. You will be needed a bowl, a spoon for mixing, boiled chane, chola, 1 bowl pomegranate, cucumber, 1 tomato, 2 to 3 chilies, onions, coriander leaves, salt, chaat masala. Now you need to put all these things in this bowl. I am putting salt. You can put according to your taste. I am putting chaat masala. Now I am mixing it. See, I have mixed them. Now we will take your leaves, garnish it, see, our chola chaat is ready. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel, share my videos and comment in the comment box. Thank you.